A red and rich sauce, an avalanche of fried eggplant, and rain of salted ricotta and abundant fresh basil. Today's recipe brings the scents and flavors of Sicily, and due to its goodness, it has been named after Norma, the famous opera by Bellini that equals it in magnificence. Pasta alla Norma. Let's start! But pasta alla Norma is originally from Catania, and in order to stick to tradition as much as possible, I relied on the advice of our talented Sicilian cook Carlotta. When it comes to original recipes at GialloZafferano, we take it seriously. So let's start with the sauce. I'll pour in a large saucepan a drizzle of oil and 2 cloves of garlic. I add the tomatoes that I have already cut into large pieces, cover with the lid, and leave to cook for about 20 minutes until the tomatoes are very soft. The tomatoes are ready, it's time to strain them. Once I've strained them, I'll put the juice back in the pot. Season with salt. And put it back on the stove to thicken for another 10-15 minutes with the lid to jar. The sauce is ready and my favorite moment has arrived, deep frying. I have already cut the eggplant into slices a few millimeters thick. The oil is at 170 degrees, make sure it's extra virgin. I can start frying. If you're worried your eggplants might be full of bitter liquids, you can purge them. But those commonly found in groceries are already sweet enough and don't need that. The first ones are ready, I can drain them. I'll season them slightly with salt and continue this way with all the others. The eggplants are all fried, the water is boiling, I have already salted it. And in the meantime I can grate the salted ricotta. Make sure you use a large whole grater. Last touch, basil in the sauce. The pasta is al dente, firm to the bite. I can drain it directly into the sauce. A nice stir. Some might suggest adding some eggplant directly into the sauce, but our Sicilian certified source guarantees that they only go on the final dish. One last stir and I can serve. A generous portion of juicy pasta, an abundant layer of eggplant, and an endless avalanche of salted ricotta. And here is my pasta alla Norma ready. A treasure of Sicilian cuisine prepared with the simplest ingredients of a summer vegetable garden. I'm going to taste it. Bon appétit!